Recently, mini Windows update is leading some players to face Valorant Error Code 81. Players usually encounter this error when trying to start Valorant through the Riot client. The message they get read connection error. Valorant has encountered a connection error. Please relaunch the client to reconnect. I look at some of the possible solutions to Valorant Error Code 81. If none of the listed solutions work, player can submit a ticket by contacting Valorant support. Link is given below in the description. The Valorant Error Code 81, as the error message suggested, the first thing you can do is restart the Riot client, log in and try to play the Valorant. If the problem connections, restart your PC and try to run the game again and again. If the error still persists, reinstall the game and do a refresh installation of Valorant. Remember to uninstall and reinstall Riot Vanguard, as well as update your drivers. Make sure that your antivirus is not blocking the game. Okay, antivirus. So make sure don't use the third-party antivirus like Avast or any other. Just use the Windows Defender. That's the perfect one and will not block any gaming security system. First of all, you can just click on the Windows icon, then type here the services and hit OK. Open the services menu, click on any one and then press V until you get the VGC. Just right click on it, go into the properties. Startup should be by default manual. If it's not starting up, then click on the automatic, hit apply and restart your PC. Your problem will be fixed. In my case, I don't need this on automatic because it's running when I start the Valorant. Now the second thing you can do here, just make a backup of your Valorant client folder. It's easy. Just go into the Riot games and copy this folder. Okay. After copying this folder, just uninstall the Valorant and Riot client from control panel. Sometimes it's not appearing in the control panel. So for that, see, it's appearing here in the control panel, the Valorant and the Riot Vanguard. If it's not appearing here, it's okay, just close it, go into the settings. Here you need to find the apps and then you need to find here the Valorant and Riot Vanguard. Here is the Riot client, uninstall this one as well, Valorant as well, and if possible there's a Vanguard option. After restarting your PC, now this time you need to reinstall your Valorant from the official website on the Valorant website, and here you need to find out your play button, make account and then sign in. Once you sign in, it will automatically redirect you on the download button over here, download game, and this time you need to download the Riot client. After downloading around 200 MB, you will get the Riot client plus this folder over here. Now just close the Riot client from here and replace the backup file with this folder again, and then simply again relaunch your Riot client. This time it will verify your game plus reinstall your Vanguard services, and yeah, your problem will be fixed 100%. If still you are facing any issue, just let me know in the comment section. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, bye bye, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos. The last thing, the last thing here I am gonna share with you guys, you will get 14 only 14 GB, and in 14 or 15 parts, I guess each part contain 1 GB. Just go here, search for Windows Fixer, and then you need to go on this video. Link is given below in the description, by the way. Just go ahead, and once you open this video, now simply you need to scroll down and here is the download link. You will get the Riot client highly compressed, only 14 GB in 14 parts or 15 parts, and the password is 123. See, each part contains 1 GB and the last one contains only 272.4 MB. So after downloading all these, just extract all of them in one place and you will get 34 GB folder, which is like here. This one folder you will get after extraction and simply you need to replace over here. So this will fix your problem. See you in the next video. Have a good day.